I'm terrified I'm gonna scare him. I've got this hose perched on my shoulder. Hello, little one. You look like you're a baby toad or something. Oh, I love their fingers. I'm gonna move in closer because I think his eyes are golden, but I'm probably gonna scare him away. Oh, come on, phone, keep your focus. Keep your focus, phone. Don't get blurry, phone. Gotta try and touch it. There we go. Hi. We are communing with nature here. But he actually needs to move. Every time I move, the phone goes out of focus. That's not fair. Hey, buddy. Can I ask you to gently move? Because I'm about to use this hose and it goes everywhere. See? Yeah. Don't go inside of it. No, you don't want to live inside, do you? Oh my God, I'm terrified of hurting this little guy. No, 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 don't go inside. Oh. Oh gosh. Now I'm afraid for Mr. Frog. But I will have to move forward.